Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. The best RC road roller reviews. Features: 1. Rear-wheel drive, rear axle built-in differential. 2. Towing hook is attached at the rear of the body. 3. Precision hydraulic system, more coordinated, smooth and linear action. 4. Hydraulic front shovel, more flexible and convenient operation. 5. The front wheel tilt angle can be adjusted, with a wide range of use. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.